After recent release of ChatGPT-4o, it opened up multiple different opportunities. Now in this video, I'll show you how can you analyze a PDF file, and from there you can generate a PPT directly. This feature was not available earlier. However, after recent announcement of GPT-4o, this feature is now included within ChatGPT. Let me show you how can you use it. If you follow my mouse, currently I'm in ChatGPT console. Here you can see I am using ChatGPT-4o as the LLM model. Now, if you have not used ChatGPT earlier and you are new to ChatGPT, then I have a detailed video available where you will be able to set up your ID, you will be able to start using ChatGPT. You can check the link in description below. So now if I click on this particular icon, I'll be able to add file. So what I'll do, I'll click on upload from computer. There I have one PDF file which is homework. Now if I click on open, what it will do, it will add this particular file here. Now I pasted one prompt here to read this file and give me a detailed summary of the entire content. And if I hit enter, what it will do, it will try to read that file. You can see it's reading that document. So now you can see it analyzed the file and it came up with a detailed summary with some 9 points with all details from that particular PDF file. Now let me show you what is there in that PDF file, then you will understand how complex it is to generate this kind of information from that PDF file. If I go here and double click on this particular file, it will open, and then you can see it's a scanned image, and from there this particular PDF was created. So it was a hand taken scan of any of the book, and there some certain text are there which are not in very high quality. You can see certain text are not scanned properly. There are some tables, so heterogeneous formatting, right? And different page size, everything. So it's very difficult in case someone is trying to read it from this particular text, it will be very difficult. You can see how this particular PDF file was generated. So that's why I thought of showing you before I actually show you the output of this particular file. Now it generated the content. Now if I ask it to generate a PPT from here, it will generate that. Now if I use this particular prompt, please convert this output to a well formatted PowerPoint presentation. And if I hit enter, what it will do, it will start analyzing this entire data. So currently it's analyzing, it's whatever the contents are there, it's analyzing, and it will generate the PowerPoint presentation. Normally it takes a bit of a time. Some of the time it can take up to 1 minute also to generate the file. But once this is created, it will give you a link, and using that link, you will be able to download that PowerPoint presentation. Let me show you how it comes up with. Now you can see it generated the PowerPoint presentation, and if I click here, it will download the file. If I double click, it will open that particular file in my PowerPoint. You can see it converted it in a PowerPoint presentation. While the PowerPoint doesn't look very promising, where it's a basic one, we'll only use two-step approach to convert it to a beautiful one. If I click on enable editing, and then I'll go to design, and then I'll change quickly to a widescreen. So it's a 16:9, and now it converted. There are some 10 slides, and what I can do from this particular drop down, which is under design only. So what I'll do, I'll maybe choose any of the simple one from here. You can see this now entire deck design has been changed. Now in the next step, you can select any of the slide, and your designer will pop up here. What it will do, it will give you multiple options using which you will be able to change the slide. If I click on this particular option, this particular slide will get changed. So using this method of themes, you will be able to change theme of the entire slide pack, and for specific slides, designer will help you to change the look and feel of individual slides. If the designer is not visible for you, you can enable it from under designer. Here, this particular icon, this will help you to enable designer. Also under home tab, this icon is in the same place. So you can just click on that. What it will do, it will enable or disable designer, and you will be able to pick up any of the other design to change your slide pack. So this is the way you will be able to analyze any type of PDF file, be it an image, be it a clear text, and you will be able to use ChatGPT to summarize that particular PDF, and from there you will be able to generate PowerPoint presentation. Hopefully you will be able to use this method in your day-to-day work. I recorded another video using ChatGPT and another tool, how can you generate bulk slides. Please check this particular video to know more about it.